Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn on YouTube Shorts comments. Are comments disabled on your YouTube Shorts? This might be due to privacy settings, video restrictions or YouTube policies. In this video I'll show you how to turn on comments for your YouTube Shorts step by step. Let's follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to open YouTube Studio, and to do that just go to your App Store now and download. Let's go to App Store, Play Store if you're using Android, and search for YouTube Studio. Let's click on the search bar and we search for YouTube Studio and install it. Now after installing it, tap on access it and tap on content, then select the shorts video you want to enable comments for. As for the second step is to check the comments settings, and to do that scroll down and tap more options and look for comments and ratings and change the settings to allow all comments. This can be be done in the YouTube Studio. Now make sure the video is not set as made for kids. If your short is marked as made for kids, YouTube automatically disables comments. To change this, just go to YouTube Studio again and go to video and edit the video, and under audience select no, this video is not made for kids, and save the changes. As for the fourth step is to check your channel settings, and to do that you have to go to YouTube Studio again and click on settings and then click on community, and under default settings make sure comments are enabled for new videos. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to turn on comments for YouTube Shorts. Follow these steps to allow discussions and engagements on your videos. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.